Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. Hello everyone, my name is Mashkur Ali. In today's video, I'll show you how to unblock a merchant on Cash App in just 4 simple steps. If you ever blocked a merchant by mistake, or now you want to send or receive money from them again, don't worry. It's super easy. I'll guide you step by step and also share a few extra tips to make sure you never face this issue again. If you blocked a merchant on Cash App or it happened by mistake, then to unblock them, you first need to open Cash App on your phone. After opening Cash App, you'll see the activity button at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Once you tap it, you'll see all your past transactions. Now, find the transaction where you tried to pay that merchant, but it failed. Tap on that transaction. As soon as you tap it, you'll see that merchant's transaction details, and below it, you'll notice the word decline. Just above it, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on those 3 dots. After tapping the 3 dots, you'll see the option at the very top that says unblock this person. Tap on it, and that merchant who was blocked on your Cash App will be unblocked. Now you'll be able to make payments to that merchant without any problem. If this method does not work, then directly contact Cash App customer support and share the screenshots of the declined or failed payments. They will help you unblock that merchant from their side.